Today I show you this hot glue gun from Parkside, which is pretty cheap. It was really cheap. I bought it. It was like €3 or something like this. It's not really complicated for it. It's not really a big deal, but the one we had before, it's kind of broken, and I thought better to replace it, get a new one. And this is great for handcrafts and decorating, and you can heat it up to 150 degrees. You can heat up time is 4 minutes, approximately 150 degrees Celsius, and the maximum temperature is 200 degrees, so you have to be careful with the high temperature on this. The power consumption on this one is 15 watts and 60 watts when starting up. That's a Parkside hot glue gun, and that's how you're supposed to use it for different applications. I think it was opened before and they sealed it back. Okay. So there is one seal on top, but there is another seal under it. I just noticed this. And I didn't see that before. Okay. Yeah. So there was one seal that was open, and then they sealed it again. Okay. Doesn't look to be used, but I think it is. I'm not sure. This stuff here. I'll see if there is any glue in it. Let's see if there is any glue inside of it. I don't see any glue. I don't see any glue inside there, so it's probably not used. But still, the price was pretty good, and yeah. Do not pull out the hot glue stick. Yeah. So the hot glue stick has to stay in once you insert it, because it melts inside here, and then the next time when you use it, all you have to do is press on this. It will push the glue stick inside further. You don't pull the glue stick out, it's gonna make it worse. So this is some information on the box there. And then you get the manual and 2 glue sticks. And this is the size of the glue sticks. It's the smaller size, it's not the big size. I don't know exactly what size they are, but they are the smaller size. Okay, so also it says the cord length is 1.2 meters, which is not that long here. And yeah, it says 2 glue sticks, but it doesn't say the size of the glue sticks. Anyway, when you buy these glue sticks, you look for the smaller size. They have usually 2 sizes, the thicker ones and the smaller ones. And in this manual, that's the manual. Quick scan over the manual. Service information, as if who's gonna bother to return this. Okay, that's the manual. Glue sticks, and this is very important. It's good that they added this information to the handle itself, so you know how to use it from day one. And this is the UK style plug, protection, the usual protection. Like that. Even more information here. Plug wiring. Like that, okay. And then there is some information of the model. I think this is the serial number of this. Manufacture date 6/2025, June 2025. and pretty much not much useful on the other side. And this is the holder on it. It's a simple piece of wire. I don't understand how this would work, how this is going to be a holder, but maybe you put it. It's here. Is it? I think you have to insert it somewhere here on the edges. So there is one hole there, another hole there. So you pull these things out and drop it in there. So now it becomes a proper holder. I will leave this for later to cut it in case it doesn't work. So the way it works, you have your glue stick, you insert it here, and then it goes into that hole there. But now it's stuck there. So it's really, to remove it, I could do this spinning a little bit. And then it goes into that hole and it starts working. And you have to insert it all the way and then plug it in. You plug it in and press on this. See, this thing pushes the glue stick inside of the machine until it's solid here, and now it's gonna melt it here. The melted glue comes out from this end, and when you're finished you unplug it and you leave the glue stick as it is. And when you want to use the next glue stick, when this one goes inside and it's too far, it wouldn't catch, you put the next glue stick next to it and it goes further the same way. Thanks for watching.